Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to retrieve responses in Google Forms. So let's get started. So if you want to retrieve your responses, so to do that what you can do is just simply open up your Chrome browser and then search for forms.google.com. And after searching for that, now what you have to do is just simply select a preferred form. And after opening up your form, now what you can do is just simply tap on responses. And after tapping on responses, now you can find the responses. Now what you have to do is just tap on the three dotted icon above that. And after tapping on the responses, now you can find the following ways that you can retrieve your responses. So here you can see guys, you can just download the response and you can retrieve it. You can print the response, or you can share your response through email, or here you will find this option which is linked to sheets. What you can do is just simply tap on it and then create a sheet for your following response. So that's it guys, this is how to retrieve responses in Google Forms. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.